We will do India's relation with the other countries, and that will focus mainly on USA and Russia, okay, because they are international powers and they was both superpowers at one point of time. Both India and United States are democratic countries. India is also a democratic country, even USA is a democratic country. Democratic country is a country wherein people choose their government by voting, okay. Apart from having lot of similarities, there have been lots of up and down in the relationship also. Though we are similar in lot of ways, yet there was some problems between us. The United Nations did not like India's role of not joining the power plot and accepting the non-allied policy after its independence. So USA did not like the fact that after that, during Cold War, India did not join United States side, and instead of that they just accepted the non-aligned policy, or your NAM, okay. USA did not like that fact that India started something called NAM and joined the NAM, okay. After they hoped that India would join them, but India joined non-aligned movement for its economic growth. So USA thought that maybe later on India will join us, India will support us, but India did not support USA, it did not support USSR, it joined NAM or non-aligned movement for its own economic growth. There is another reason that umbilical relations between India and US could not grow. That is US policy of favoring Pakistan. The another reason why there was no good relation between India and USA was because USA always supported Pakistan. Okay, they supported Pakistan in the cause of Jammu and Kashmir. Pakistan had joined US-led power and military bloc, wherein India adopted the policy of non-alignment. So what happened was that USA always supported Pakistan's claim over Jammu and Kashmir, always supported Pakistan in whatever decision they did. The reason why they supported Pakistan was that during this Cold War, Pakistan was a part of USA. Okay, Pakistan joined USA and was in the side of USA. And Pakistan did not join NAM or non-aligned movement. Okay, it joined hands with Pakistan, and because of that, USA always supported Pakistan. Treaties regarding nuclear weapons have become one of the most important points of disagreement between India and United States. So especially treaties or contracts that are signed between two countries for nuclear weapons, for disarmament, was something which USA always argued with India. USA did not support India in disarmament, in controlling nuclear weapons and all that. Okay. United States had persisted India should sign the Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty and Comprehensive Test Ban Treaty. When India conducted nuclear tests in Pokhran in Rajasthan in 1998, it was taken seriously, and certain sanctions were imposed against India as US aided financially and technically. So what happened was that United States kept on telling India that they should sign the Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty, and that India should also sign Comprehensive Test Ban Treaty. So these were the two treaties which USA really wanted India to sign, okay. And obviously India conducted its nuclear test in Pokhran in Rajasthan in the year 1998, which really angered the US, okay. And serious actions were taken against India for conducting the nuclear test in Pokhran in 1998. There is a movie on this incident, okay, in which John Abraham is there. I forgot the name of the movie. When I come to know the movie, I'll tell you the name of the movie, which the movie focuses on nuclear test which was done in Pokhran in Rajasthan. Okay, so that was the thing. There is a remarkable change in the relations between both the countries after the terrorist attack on New York's World Trade Center on September 11, 2001. So what happened was, in September 2001, there was a nuclear attack which happened in USA, okay, in which the World Trade Center was affected, and since then the relations between India and USA has improved. The United States now accepted the fact that India is growing economically very fast. Now both the countries wish that there should be intimate relations with each other. United Nations saw that India is progressing a lot at economic level. India has a lot of potential to develop, and that is why it was necessary for India and USA both to improve its relations with each other. Okay. In September 2014-15, Indian Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi visited America and even addressed the United Nations. American President Barack Obama was the first American president to be the chief guest for India's 66th Republic Day celebration. In this way, America and India now has cordial and amicable relations, and the issues of terrorism are the concerns of the heads of the country. So in September 2014 and 15, Narendra Modi went to America and even spoke to the people who were there in America. Even Barack Obama, he was the first American president to ever come for the celebration of India's independence. Barack Obama was an amazing president, okay, of United Nations, and since then the relations between America and United Nations have improved, and both America and India are working towards controlling terrorism that has been growing around in the world.